All right, boys and girls, today we are going to begin chapter 16 with time and temperature. And today we're going to work on telling time using the word past. So we're going to count the number of minutes past the current hour. So our examples are 35 minutes past 8. So you can count, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes past 8 o'clock, because it's not quite 9 yet. On this one here, this is the minute side, so you got hours, minutes, so 17 minutes past 10 o'clock. So, number 1 here, first we're going to count how many minutes passed. That's the longhand. 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes past, is it 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock? It is 2 o'clock. So, 20 minutes past 2. Number 2, we have 15 minutes past 4. And over here, it looks as though we have, let's see, 5, 6. Let's make it even bigger. 6, 7, 8. It looks like it's 8 minutes past 11. This time, tell the time, use 2. So this time we're talking about the amount of time just before the next hour. So for example, it says 6 minutes to 3. So it's almost 3 o'clock. There's 5, there's 6 minutes until 3 o'clock. And here we have to do a little bit of math. Now remember, there's 60 minutes in an hour, not 100. So 32 plus 28 gives you the 60. That's where they're getting the 32 minutes. Also, you can think of 28 being over on this side. So you have 30 and then 31, 32. So 32 minutes to 7. So again here, let's go number 4. We have how many minutes to 9 o'clock? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes to 9. Here we have, 55 and 5 is 60, so 5 minutes to 2. And this is just under 30 minutes. I'm going to say 29 minutes to 4. All right, tell the time used. Oh, this time we can choose whether we want to use past or to. So on this one, I think that the way to maybe say it is if you're closer to the hour, like on this side, use to. And if you're just a little past the hour, we're gonna use the word past. Doesn't have to be like that, I guess, but that's why I think it's easier, and most people probably do it like that. So here we have 10 minutes to 7. Could be to 8, but it looks like it's pointing down here to 7. It's just about 7 o'clock, so 10 minutes to 7. And this here, I'm going to guess, is 21, 22, 23 minutes past 3. And that is 15, 16, 17, 18 minutes to 6. That was 18 minutes to 6. This is 17 minutes to 8. So very close with 42 and 43. There's only 1 minute apart. And here we have 5, 10, 11, 12. Let's go with 12. Or 13 if you want. If you had 13, don't erase it. Just leave it. It's fine. Let's go 12 minutes past 4. And here we have 5 minutes to 4. All right. Tell the time in 2 ways. So we're going to write down the digitally-ish time on this one. And then we can use either past or to. And then down here, we're going to write 10 minutes to and 50 minutes past. So we're going to use the past and the to on this one. And we're going to just write down the digital and one or the other for that kind. So let's look at our digital clock here. It is 25 minutes past 7. Or it's 35 minutes to 8. Very similar to this one up here. 28 minutes and 32. Okay, 28 and 32. And this one was 25. So it's going to be really close to that. So 35 minutes to 8 or 25 past 7. So we could write this as 9, let's see, 10, 9, 11, maybe like 9, 12. So there's 5, 10, 11, 12. It looks like it's kind of pointing there. So you could say 9, 12, 12 minutes past 9. Or 48 minutes to 10. Here we go. We have 6, see, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. So 6:47 in digital time. Let's see, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13 minutes to 7. Would be another way to put that. Wow, this is going faster, guys. We're already on the last page. Time flies when you're having fun, huh? That was a good one, wasn't it? Ha ha ha, that's right. All right, let's keep going here. Oh, time flies when you're having fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's keep going with 2 ways here. I see 7 o'clock, so 7, 5, 10, looks like maybe 13. Yep, 7:13. 13 minutes past 7 would be a good one there. So here we have 4:39. So down here we're going to write 39 minutes past 4. And we're going to write 21 minutes to 5. 10:52. There we have 52 minutes past 10. Or only 8 minutes to 11. All right, draw the minute hand to show the time. So 25 minutes past 11. So you can see the hour hand. The minute hand, and I can't really draw on my screen where you can see it, but I really like to go 25 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. If I could, I would make a line all the way from there out to here, and I would touch my minute hand out to the minutes. My hour hand, I touch just inside the hour, but my minute hand, I want to reach all the way out here and actually touch that minute. So I'm going to draw my line all the way out here to that 25, okay? Or out to that darker line by the 5. Okay, let's look over here. 18 minutes to 7. So it's almost 7 o'clock, so we count 18 minutes back. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. This one right at the top of the arrow right there, okay? That is 18 minutes to 7. So I'm going to draw that. You can't see it, but it's right there. 18 minutes to 7. Write the time on the digital clock. 18 minutes to 1. So it's not quite 1 yet. So it's going to be, now remember that what comes before 1? Well, it's 12 on a clock. So before 1, we're going to have 12. And it says 18 minutes to. So that is going to be 42. Okay, so 12:42. Almost the same as what was that one over there? 18 minutes, except it's to 7, not to 1. Okay, 25 minutes past 2. So it's 2:25. The past ones are kind of easy. We just got to figure out which side this goes to, right? So 2:25. Fill in the blanks with the correct time. 18 minutes past 2 is 2:18. Let's see, 15 minutes to 1. So it's not quite 1 yet. It's 2:1. Okay. Again, 15 minutes until 1 o'clock. So therefore, it still has to be 12 something, kind of like this one, right? Almost the same thing. So this time it's 12:45. 1/4 to. 8:25 is blank minutes past blank. Well, it's 25 minutes. Says so right here, see? 25 minutes past 8. The past ones, again, like I said, I think the past ones are really, really not easy, but much easier than the 2. The 2, you got to do a little more math. Got to take a little drink of water. My mouth is getting dry here. All right. Last couple of problems. 6:50, actually the last problem. 6:50 is blank minutes to blank. Okay, so it's almost what? If it's 6:50, it's almost, almost 7 o'clock. So minutes to the hour, which is 7, or will be 7. So 6:50, it's almost 7 o'clock. So if I go to the 50, that's right here in the 10. How many minutes from the 10 up to the 12? Well, 5, 10. 50 plus 10 is 60, 60 minutes in an hour. So 6:50 is 10 minutes to 7. All right, boys and girls, hang in there. Okay, this weather will get nice. We'll get some more outdoor time in. Keep working hard. I see a lot of you doing really well with your iReady minutes. I see some Khan Academy leveling up going on. I love that. Put my own kids in there, and they're doing a decent job there. Almost as good as you. Not quite. There's a couple of you only like 10-15% away from knocking out all of 3rd grade. You do that, and I'll move you some tougher stuff, okay? If we're down a little lower than that, hey, just keep working. You'll be able to level up really fast, okay? So go take those unit tests and level up. Get that stuff done as quick as you can. A few of you, extra math monsters, awesome job. I see some of you 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row, either getting green or maybe the yellow. That's okay too, but I see some of you getting in a lot of that. I see a couple of you hitting up reflex time. Again, there's awesome job there. Again, don't lose it, guys. You worked hard to get that far up there. And whether you're doing reflex, extra math, if you're doing flashcards, that is awesome. Keep up the great work, okay? Keep those iReady minutes pumping. I see some of you finished the Prodigy things. A couple of you have just a few more problems to do until you're done. Keep it up. Awesome job, kids. We'll see you again soon, okay?